Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by updating and preparing the phone so the fix applies cleanly. Open the App Store or Play Store and install Instagram updates. Once done, restart the device so system changes load. Make sure the keyboard you want to use is enabled in settings and set as the active keyboard. If Instagram has a cache clear or offload option, use it now to remove corrupt temporary data. These steps remove common blockers and prime the app for the next actions. Now reset how emojis are input so Instagram reads them correctly. Switch to the native emoji keyboard and type a few emojis in notes to confirm rendering. If they display, that's good. Remove any third-party keyboards and re-add them to reset permissions and encoding. Force close Instagram from the app switcher and then reboot the keyboard service by toggling keyboards off and on in settings. These steps ensure the emoji picker and input encoding align with Instagram's expectations. Finish by testing emojis directly in Instagram. Post a DM, caption, and comment to verify they render consistently. If emojis still show as boxes or disappear, uninstall and reinstall Instagram to restore default resources and font mappings. Make sure to sign back in and reauthorize any keyboard permissions. If the problem persists after reinstall, try the same account on another device or a different app version to isolate device-specific font issues. This helps determine whether it's your phone or Instagram itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.